So let's talk about the inside. There are 2 combs on the side. There is a comb at the back, and there is an adjustable strap in this wig if you would like to adjust that.